When I come outside on a beautiful spring morning like this and I'm in my garden, I cannot believe what has happened over the last 15 years, which was a lot of time, work, and a lot of persistence. And it is a lesson to me about persistence in life, persistence in gardening, in eating, in lifestyle, in whatever we choose to do. You know, when we bought this piece of land, it was really ignored and overrun and completely trashed. And I said I wanted to make something beautiful out of it. And I knew very little about gardening. I've loved the idea of being out in the earth and getting my hands in the dirt and building up a good gut bio and just enjoying what we work so hard to have. But I had no idea what could be created. And so over the years, this has evolved from just a terrible looking piece of property into something that I'm really happy about. And I'm doing this video kind of for me and also kind of for you, because it's a testament to what can be done if you are willing to continue to learn and grow and find ways to improve. This is a spiderwort plant that blooms only in the morning. Behind it are boxwood shrubs that we planted with our own hands, and the boxwoods were like $10 each and very small. And with a lot of love, and I've learned with a lot of mulch and a lot of care, that they can be developed into something very, very beautiful. I also wanted a vegetable garden, and I know that living in a major metropolitan area, I wasn't going to have a farm, that's for sure. But I have developed, with the help of the organic gardener who helped me to develop this, a couple of gardens. And this one is a 9x9 plot, and it has my garlic growing in it. So every year in October, I plant garlic cloves, and by August, we will have beautiful garlic bulbs. We've become used to having fresh garlic, and I just hate it in the winter when we run out and we have to buy garlic. It's very easy to plant. Maybe I'll do another video on how to grow garlic. My husband purchased this arbor for me when I got my master's degree in clinical nutrition, and it was completely empty. It was just a metal round arbor. It took 7 years for it to develop like it looks right now, but it's absolutely beautiful, and he gave it to me as a step into the next world that I was going to be entering now that I had my master's degree and could become board certified. So everything out here is just a reminder of, the last years and what we've been doing. Mainly me, I will have to say. He does dig a hole once in a while here and there, and he does help once in a while, but this is my sanctuary. And I think we all need a sanctuary, whether it's a garden or what it is, or a walk by the lake, or whatever makes us, a walk in the mountains, or just a walk in the park that makes us feel alive and calm and peaceful and almost meditative. So the other side of my vegetable garden are vegetables, and it's just developing now. It's kind of small plants, but I have tomato plants, I have eggplant, fennel, and I've planted flowers in between so that they can be pollinators for the plants. So I am just going to take one more walk towards my native garden, which is all Illinois native plants. And I have to thank our friend Ken Schaefer, who has helped me with this Illinois native garden. This garden is never watered, it's never fertilized, it's all organic. And as you can see, it is just a bloom with native plants. And I get in here once in a while and I do some weeding, but that is really about it. So another sanctuary, we call it the secret garden. And when I have little children that come over and visit, they always want to go to the secret garden. This is relatively a small garden, and when it was first planted and the plants were very, very small, I actually had a dinner party in here. I put a little table in here with a white tablecloth, and we sat and had dinner, and it was absolutely lovely. Now it's so well developed, I don't want to disturb it. So I'm going to just move kind of slowly and walk over to another part of the garden which has too much sun in it right now to show you, but this is to be continued. And this video is really a testament to doing something that you love, whether it be quick or slow or over the years, but things that we can all learn. And we can do the same with our lifestyle, with our diet, with our own self-help interests that we know we need to develop. And it's not that difficult to do, but it does take persistence. Thank you for joining. Please give me a like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much.